according to some recent reports, looks like Samsung is planning to kill the Galaxy Note lineup, and we may not even see the Note 21 series of phones. Two of the well-known tipsters have said that Samsung is discontinuing the Note series all over the world. Ice Universe recently tweeted out that the Note series had seen its last days and that there will be no Galaxy Note 21. Another industry insider, Ross Young, said the same thing. Ross Young said that the next device which will come under the Note series would be Note 20 FE phone. Well, the Note series was first launched 10 years ago in 2011. It was more of an experimental phone to see how the consumers responds. Well, since bigger screen has proven to be more preferred in past decades, the Note lineup was pretty successful and well received. But as the time went on with two devices launch every year from Samsung, the line to differentiate both of their devices kept getting thinner. They were basically considered two flagships, one launched at early stage of each year, and one launched at the later stage of each year. But there was still one pretty distinctive feature to define their Note lineup: their S Pen. Well, the Galaxy S21 Ultra launched last week as the first Galaxy S series smartphone to have support for the S Pen stylus. So yeah, there's pretty much no difference left or a reason to launch next Note phone. The Note series started as an experimental product, but even that experimental title is more suited to their foldable phones now. So it's very much likely that Samsung will discontinue their Note lineup to stay true to their nature of having two flagship products per year, one of them being the S series phone and another being their experimental flagship, which used to be the Note series, but now replaced by the foldable phones. And the rumors suggest that the Galaxy Foldable series will also come with an S Pen, which in fact makes more sense for their bigger and foldable device. Apart from this, Samsung didn't see any attractive sales under the S20 or Note 20 series in 2020. It missed its sales target by a huge margin. Thus, the decision to discontinue the Note series might be to save costs and push one flagship series, S21, aggressively in the market. This would allow the company to focus on the sales channel of one important series at a time, and would also allow being more innovative with one device and one experimental product. So yeah, it doesn't look too good for the future of Note series, but we can still hope it to launch one last Note phone, or rebrand the Note series entirely into a new product. Well, that's it. Stay subscribed to the channel to find out any further news regarding this.